Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment and say what's good. On this video, we'll be doing a money mastery series breaking down Ian Dunlap's two tech, two index. It's fire. So let's go get to it. Algorand, Algorand. All right, y'all. So two tech, two index in Dunlap review. So let me get a little quick background. In Dunlap is called the master investor, as he says, the greatest investor of our generation. This guy is a co-host and one of the main presenters on Earn Your Leisure's podcast Market Mondays, where they review and cover the market and basically just educate. I definitely been tuning in for a while, and it's one of the resources I use to get educated. So again, C Will, make sure y'all tap in and subscribe. This is a money mastery video where we're going to break it down and do a review of what's popping in the market. So that way we can build the best portfolios and things of that nature. And again, I have a special gift for y'all at the end of this video. So remember, type I want the free portfolio tracker. Two tech, two index, Ian Dunlap review. Let's go. Okay. Tech stocks dominate the market. So what we're going to talk about is two tech, two index. This is the two tech. There's a lot of options. And as you see, got this from Investopedia. In finance, FANG is an acronym that refers to the stocks of five prominent American technology companies: Facebook, otherwise known as Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. And some could say you could take Netflix out and put Tesla or Microsoft, right? So Apple is one of the biggest companies in the world. I believe it's a top three. Make sure y'all go check. So Apple, we all have Apple phones. I'm on a MacBook computer. They have billions of dollars, $260 billion of cash. That's bigger than most companies. They have big partnerships. And then speaking of Google, they just built, and they're doing their thing as well. As we know, YouTube, they own about 26 different companies. These are titans in the game. Google is the biggest advertiser, I believe, in the world. So make sure y'all leave a comment below if you dig what I'm saying. Again, tech stocks dominate the market. Okay. So the second part of two tech, two index. What is an index? So, an index or a index mutual fund or ETF exchange traded fund tracks the performance of a specific market benchmark, right? Or an index like the popular one, S&P 500. That's what most of y'all have in y'all portfolios. S&P 500 index. So, as closely as possible. That's why you may hear people refer to indexing as a passive investment strategy. I definitely agree. So VTI and VOO, what are they? VTI is Vanguard Total Market Index. So that's a list basically of all the companies in the US, and it's in a big index, and it covers the total market. So there's less volatility there, and it's tied to the stock market. Then we got VOO, which is a Vanguard, and this one is basically the clone of the S&P 500. So the top 500 companies in the US NASDAQ stock market. Vanguard is a titan in the game. So essentially, what Ian Dunlap is saying, if you have VTI, VOO, and two tech, and as this example, as you see, I chose Apple and Google. So if you got those four companies, you should be good. You should hold for 5, 10, 20 years, and these companies will continue to dominate the market. And yes, there'll be volatility on the way, less drawdowns, less trouble with regulators. All right, so this is cool. These are the charts, the all-time charts. The first one that says 148.14, that's the price. We are talking about Apple. Look at that chart. Ever since it's gone, it's been going up. And as you see, there's a slight dip there, which is a buying opportunity. Apple has all the contracts. I don't think Apple's going down anytime soon. And we do know Nancy Pelosi, I believe, put a call in on Apple, which means she's betting Apple will be going up. Always follow Nancy Pelosi. And then we have Warren Buffett owns like 9% of Apple. I could say we'll be pretty safe there with our money. All right, then the next one is Vanguard Index ETF. Again, look at this chart. They're going up in the right direction that one would want their money to grow. So that's the S&P 500 Vanguard. And then on the bottom, we have Alphabet Class A, which is Google. Google has two stocks. They are the same price. And prepare, there will be a stock split, y'all. So tap in. But another chart ever since, 2003, it's on the up and up. And if you held any time back then, you're eating. Okay, then finally, Vanguard Total Stock Market Fund ETF. That's the whole index. And the same thing here. If you've been buying since 2003, you can see it went pretty flat up until 2009 or so when the whole market crashed. And then it's only been on the upside since then. It's amazing, y'all. This is where the bag at. Shout out to Ian Dunlap. All right. And to that final gift that I have for y'all, just type below, I want the portfolio tracker. I'll send you a link there in the comments once you guys do that if you want. I think it's a great idea to get your portfolio organized. And this is my way to assist you. And then you opt in. There's a video there and a portfolio tracker waiting for y'all. Once again, I definitely appreciate y'all for tapping into a C-Will Money Mastery video where we cover 2 tech, 2 index review by Ian Dunlap. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe. Until the next video, y'all. C-Will with the Passive Income Network. I am gone. Passive income, passive income, passive income. Gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple. We getting all this money to purchase rentals and get passive income, passive income, passive income. Gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple. We getting all this money to purchase rentals and get